Hi, I'm Jason with expertvillage.com, and today we're making a bracelet out of wires and cable, just things we found lying around. We're to the step now where we need to flatten the inside of both of our coax beads. So I'm going to take the Dremel and smooth off all four sides. Okay, I didn't cut anything away. I just made a smooth surface so that we can add some, just a little bit of color to the ends, and that way when they're inside this, they won't, you won't be able to see that white edge. So we didn't cut any length away. We just smoothed both sides. So we'll go over the cleaning up the next bead and adding the color on the next step.